Today we are going to discuss about how we are going to open the BlueJ application and how we have to write a program for that and which way we are going to execute a program. Today we are going to see that one. Okay, sir. How we are going to open the BlueJ means, so the BlueJ icon will be displayed like this in the desktop. We have to double click this. So when you are going to double click this, automatically, so a project will display. We have to mention, say, a new project name. So when we are going to click this one, so I am going to give the any name. So I am specifying my name. So it is going to be created with the separate folder. So when it is created, you can observe neatly about that the new class will display in the menu. So when you are going to click the new class, automatically, so we can specify the program name or a class name. Suppose I am going to give add a program for add. I am going to create a new class. See here the options which are available. The first one is a class. The second one is abstract class. So third one is an interface. The fourth one is, so the program can be tested using of a unit test, and the last one is the enum. So initially we are going to create a class. So in a Java we are going to choose a class option, then click it on the OK button. When I am going to click on the OK button, automatically one rectangle is going to be generated with the class name. So I am specified the class name. That name is displaying in the top. So the next step what we have to do means, we have to right click this and we have to click on the open editor. So when you are going to click the open editor, so defaultly, so the block of statement will be displayed, all are the no need of that one, but we can delete by selecting of all. We can write our own code. So how I am going to write a program for this one? See here, class. I am given the class name as a add, that is addition of two numbers. So when I am going to press the enter key, next it is going to be displayed like the red color. It is not the syntax error. By providing of the opening braces itself, it is going to be erased. See here. So then I have to give public static void main. When I am going to provide the public static void main, I can declare the variable here itself. So like int, so a comma, so int b. So in this kind of the way, I can directly mention the any kind of the arguments in the function main itself. So see here, so I am going to provide the other opening braces. Automatically the red mark is the removed. See here, so to generate an output, I am going to introduce the new variable, that is the int c, so equals to a plus b, semicolon. So each and every line you should have to provide the semicolon. It is a mandatory. So after that I am going to give the system dot out dot println, so which is going to be display the output, how I am going to be or how I am processed the data. See here. So when completing of this one, you have to concentrate on the where the semicolon we are provided. So see here, SYSTEM. So any mistake is there, grammatical mistake, automatically it is going to be shown in the red mark. See here, no errors are there. You can find out using of this compile, so which will be available in the bottom of the class itself, compile. So when I am pressed the compile, in the bottom you can observe the class compiled, no syntax error. So when you are going to get no syntax error, it is ready to execute, it is ready to display the output. So how we are going to run that application means simply right click and use the another option as a compile, or you can directly press void main. So when you are going to press the void main, automatically one dialog box will display. So that is, in the add main we are provided the two variables int a and int b. I am going to give int a as a 5, then simply by pressing of the tab key itself, so I am going to enter the other value. After that, by clicking of the OK, the output is going to be so generated automatically. Close it, sir. 1 minute. When we are going to provide the data, so variable a I am specified as a 5. For variable 6 I am given as a value 6. When I am going to click on the OK button, automatically output will generate. So okay, if you no need to view the previous output, you can use so the clear option in the option CA. So option clear. So once again you want to continue means right click this void main, the provide any kind of value which you want and click it on the OK button automatically. So in the terminal window you can view the output. Is it clear, ma'am?